USB device not recognized error on Windows? Here are 4 effective methods to fix it. Our first fix addresses Windows power management, which sometimes cuts power to your USB ports to save energy. Search for Edit Power Plan in your taskbar and open it. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand USB Settings, then USB Selective Suspend Setting. Change the setting to Disabled and click Apply. This ensures your USB ports stay powered and active. If that doesn't work, let's force a driver refresh in the Device Manager. Open the Start menu from the taskbar, type Device Manager, and open it. Scroll down to Universal Serial Bus Controllers and expand a list. Right-click your USB host controller or root hub and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will check for the best available driver and refresh the connection. Next, we'll restart the core services that handle hardware detection. Press the Windows button on your keyboard and search for services.msc and hit Enter. Find the plug-and-play service. Right-click it, go to Properties, click Stop, then click Start. Do the exact same for cryptographic services. Refreshing these services often helps Windows see a device it previously ignored. Finally, for devices like phones or cameras, you may need to manually install a specific driver file. Open File Explorer and go to C Drive. Then open Windows folder. Search for the file wpdmt. Right-click the wpdmt.inf and select Install. Restart your computer once you've finished, and your USB device should be recognized. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.